The word salad comes from the ancient Latin word sal for salt. Way back then, salt was an important ingredient in dressing. Romans and Greeks enjoyed raw vegetables with dressing. These vegetables would be dressed with vinegars, oils, and herbs. The star of the show today is the eggplant. I'm using long eggplant to make a salad. This is a different salad, unlike your regular greens. We will cook the eggplant and mix it with the rest of the ingredients. Make a simple dressing, of course, using the salt in the dressing with the rest of the ingredients to stimulate the palate, and this is sometimes called a rice puller. A rice puller in the sense that it works almost like a pickle or a chutney that will stimulate your appetite, and as you eat the pickle, chutney, or this particular salad, you actually end up eating a little more food. Not quite the right concept if you want to lose weight, but if you enjoy something tasty, well, I suggest you give this salad a try. So the ingredients for the dressing, I've got salt and pepper as the seasoning. I'm using grainy mustard. We'll need some lime juice. I've got red vinegar and olive oil. Some green onions. We won't be using all of these. I'll give you the amounts. Tomato, red onion, bell peppers, cilantro, Japanese eggplant or long eggplant, garlic, and celery. Let's prep the vegetables and make the salad. Do not cut them too thick. So with this eggplant, I'm just going to fry it. You have other healthy options. Not that I don't like to be healthy, but here are the options. You can put them in an air fryer and cook them that way. You can also roast them in the oven. What you'd have to do is coat it very lightly with some oil and work it in the way that you prefer. But here's another method that I'm going to show you. I particularly like it done this way or in the air fryer. And what we want to do is get it to a beautiful dark brown color to almost a crisp. Do not overcrowd the pan, and only place the eggplant into the oil when the oil is hot. Do the chopstick test as I have done in previous videos. Place a chopstick right in the center of the oil, and if the bubbles form right away, your oil is ready to use. So this is our eggplant. You can see a difference in some of the colors in them, but you may be thinking, wow, that looks burnt. But for this recipe and for the texture and the flavor to come out, this is what you actually need to do. So let's assemble the salad. So there is a difference between well cooked and burnt when it comes to eggplant. With all the ingredients in, it's time to prepare the dressing. In with the mustard, the vinegar, give that a quick whisk. Olive oil, salt, some pepper, and we're going to add some garlic, chopped garlic. And that goes right in here. And this is a mini cocktail shaker. I found this and I thought it would be pretty handy for dressings. So let's give it a shake. Let's taste this dressing. Okay. Now this dressing is sharp, salty. You can taste the vinegar coming through. Not overly salty, and not the type of acidic sharpness that catches the back of your throat. It's pretty balanced. All right, let's chop some cilantro and finish the salad. Take the cilantro, and give it a rough chop. Crisscross, and that's enough. And that will go right in the salad like this. Okay, let's give this a mix. Add in our dressing. I'll start off with half. So you don't want the dressing or the salad to be swimming in dressing, obviously, right? But we do want this sort of a thicker dressing than usual to coat the vegetables with that acidic, salty, delicious flavor. I have a little more eggplant, and that's gonna go right into our bowl. You can see how the dressing has coated the vegetables and absorbed by that somewhat crispy eggplant that we had fried in the beginning. Now I'm going to give it a taste. Absolutely amazing. I wish I could give you a spoonful right now. Okay, last but not least, a fresh squeeze of lime. And you just need a quarter wedge, and that will be perfect. I love the colors of this dish. Use this for an eggplant bruschetta. Goes perfect as a side with curries. Let's take a closer look at this beautiful salad. It's almost like a relish. It was fun making this, and I hope you found it interesting. I love being inspired and to inspire others. Like the video if you like it, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this.